AWS and DevOps with Ratna. In this video, I will show you how to push Docker image to Nexus repository. In previous video, I explained about how to create Docker registry and how to log in with user credentials by using Docker CLI. I created Docker repository. The name is webapp. So at present, it does not have any images in this repository. And I will show you how to push Docker image to this webapp repository. For that, now I am trying to pull Docker image. Docker pull ubuntu. Here pull the image. At present the image name is ubuntu. Now I am trying to push this image into the Nexus repository. For that, I will use tag, Docker tag, and give the image ID. And tag the repository. If you go here, and this is the repository. The URL of repository is 192 webapp. I tag the repository. This is my repository name, and give the name of repository. The image is ubuntu latest. So I tag this ubuntu image ID. Now you can check Docker images ls. So this is image I have to push Nexus server. At present it does not have anything. Now I'll try to push. Now I'm trying to log in. Give the password. Login succeed. Now I'm trying to push. Yes, Docker push. It will throw in the error, and I will also explain you why it is getting the error. So it does not push to Docker Hub repository. Why we are getting this issue? See, if you carefully observe, every time it is trying to push Docker Hub repository, but it does not enable to push to the Docker Hub repository. Why? If you go and check here, so it will show the repository is 8081 repository webapp, but if you go and check where enable the port is 8082, if you go and check here the dashboard, the settings, repository. Here we are enable port is 8082, but we are tag the image we have tagged the image 8081, so we need to change port 8081 to 8082. For that, what I do, Docker tag and give the ID of image, and now try to create .8081 port instead of I'll keep 8082. Now you can try to push Docker image. Push. Now you can check image. ls. Now Docker push the image. Now let's try to push the image to the Docker Hub repository. Now it is successfully pushed the Docker image to Docker Hub repository. Now if you go and check, go to repository. This is the way to push the Docker Hub repository. This is the way to Docker image push to Nexus repository. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please keep in comment section. Thanks for watching.